Hello everyone and welcome to How to Browse Your YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to resize how to overlay image in Blender video editing software. So let's jump right into the video, and what you have to do is just import the image or the video, and then you can resize, you can overlay the image here. You have the video here, and here we have the image. So we have an image and a video. If you want to see the other one, you just have to press on your keyboard N, and here expand transform, and now you can add, you can see the first image, and the other one here, it's here as well, but it's just you need to resize it. Now let's select the other one and let's position it and a bit in the left corner, at top right corner, left corner, maybe here. Okay. And around here you can also rotate, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video provides you with value. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If there's something that you don't know how to do in this main Blender video editing, please let me know in the comment section. In the comment section, I'll create a tutorial for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.